How to use credits on Mulebuy. Now in this video, I'll provide you information on how you can use credits on your Mulebuy account. So first is the interface that is currently showing on your screen are some product samples where you can use your credit balance, pay it into any of the products available. But before that, all you have to do first is to locate your profile icon right here and go into My Base. And then this is where you can actually see the current balance that you have on Mulebuy or your current credit. Now take note that not all the products is going to be available for purchases on using your credits. Before adding it into your cart or start paying it using your credit, make sure that you fully understand the details of that product before you use the credits. And that is how you use your credits on Mulebuy.